Let me show you how to create this double exposure effect on Photoshop. First, create a new project. Make it 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. Set the resolution at 72 and choose transparent background. Then let's insert our images. You can download this image in the description. First, scale your photo by press Ctrl T. Then let's create a background. So create a new layer. Name it background. Then go to this option and choose solid color and choose white background. Then click on your forest image and rescale it by press Ctrl T. Then change its blending to screen. Click on your man photo and go to Filter and click on Camera Row Filter. Then reduce the exposure. Now click on your forest image and hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Add a layer mask. Go to Brush Tool. Set the foreground color to black. And choose the soft round brush. Then set the flow around 13%. Now follow this process. Now drag the bird's photo to Photoshop. Let's remove its background. Change the blending to multiply. That is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.